Welcome to TRM's How-To series. For this video, I will be demonstrating how to install RulesManager Studio Eclipse plugin. The RulesManager Studio Eclipse is currently certified with Luna, Mars, Neon, and Oxygen versions of Eclipse. For this demo, I will be using Eclipse version 4.7, which translates to Oxygen. For this demonstration, I'm going to assume you've already downloaded the correct version of Eclipse. So now you need to go to your Eclipse directory where you extracted it. For me, that's here. You want to open up the Eclipse folder and then double click on the eclipse.exe file. And then you want to select the workspace. I always like to pick my workspace into the same directory where my Eclipse is stored. So this is the Eclipse welcome screen for the first time you open it. I always uncheck this always open welcome on startup. And then go ahead and close this window. Now you need to go to Help, Install New Software. You want to click the Add button here and type in the address is Then you want to expand and check the box that says RulesManager Studio. And then click Next. Click Next again, Accept, and click Finish. Now RulesManager Studio has been installed. So you want to close this welcome screen. You want to click on Window, Perspective, Open, and choose Other. And then you should scroll down and you should see all our perspectives. RM App Developer, RM Checkpoint, and so forth. Now you want to select RM App Developer, click Open, click on the connection, and you have successfully connected to your Maximo, and you can see roles. And now RulesManager Studio is installed. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day.